Come here, Toulouse. There he is.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Toulouse. Is he a trained dog?
No, he just gets it.
He just gets it, yeah.
I think it's because I speak to him all the time, and he kind of just gets it.
I mean, he's looking. He knows where the camera is and everything.
Yeah, he gets it.
Well, he's a famous dog. He just found the camera. He's like a show business dog.
Yeah, he has a little bit of experience. He had one modeling job, and that's it.
Yeah. No, he really did. He had a modeling job.
He's not like a doggy model. He's piecing out.